How do I add another user to my Instagram account?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to tackle a very interesting topic: how to add another user to your Instagram account. Whether you are managing a business account or simply want to share access with friends or family, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to do it successfully.
Understanding Instagram user management.
Before we jump into the steps, let's clarify one thing. Instagram does not directly allow multiple users to access the same account simultaneously. However, you can achieve this by sharing login credentials or using third-party social media management tools. We'll cover both options in this tutorial.
Sharing login credentials.
The most straightforward way to add another user to your Instagram account is by sharing your login credentials. That means your username and password. 1. First, ensure you trust the individual or team with whom you are sharing this sensitive information. 2. Then, simply provide them with your username and password. 3. They will be able to log in as you and make changes to the account. Remember, anyone with these credentials can potentially change your password or make significant alterations to your account, so only share them with people you trust completely.
Using a third-party tool.
If you are not comfortable sharing your credentials, or you need to manage multiple accounts or team members, you can use a third-party social media management tool like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social. These platforms can add extra layers of security and functionality. Here is the general process for adding another user to your Instagram account using these tools. 1. Sign up for an account with the third-party tool of your choice. Some platforms offer free versions with limited features, while others require a subscription. 2. Once you have an account, you'll need to link your Instagram account to it. This usually involves logging into your Instagram account through the platform. 3. After your Instagram account is linked, you can invite other users to your third-party tool account. These individuals will then have access to your Instagram account through the tool, but they won't have direct access to your Instagram login credentials. Keep in mind that each platform has slightly different features and processes, so make sure to refer to the specific instructions provided by your chosen platform. And that's it. We've covered the two main ways you can add another user to your Instagram account, either by sharing login credentials or using a third-party tool. Remember, it's crucial to maintain the security of your account, so only share access with individuals or teams you trust. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy exploring and managing your Instagram presence.